So I received the low tire alert on the Tesla mobile app and immediately thought to myself, it was kinda cold today. Maybe not that cold. So I decided to take a look and saw this $362 screw sticking out of my front tire.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
The next morning, I plugged it with my emergency repair kit and added some air with this mobile air compressor I bought from Amazon. My favorite feature about this mobile air compressor is that you can select your desired PSI and walk away. I'll put the link in the description if you're interested in getting one. So after doing some research, I decided to go with the Michelin Pilot All Season 4. They look great and have a speed rating of up to 186 miles per hour. What more do you need? But seriously, they have a sporty asymmetric tread pattern that places more rubber on the outside shoulder for extreme lateral grip and responsive handling. It also has a silica-enhanced tread compound that provides exceptional tread life, which Michelin backs with a 45,000-mile warranty. So I placed my order online at discounttire.com and my tires were delivered to the store the very next day. It then took less than 20 minutes to get all 4 tires replaced and I stayed in the car the entire time. Now, it's difficult to fully recommend these tires after owning them for just 2 weeks, but I will say, so far, the Michelin All Season 4s are performing extremely well. I am impressed with the traction during the rain, the ride comfort, and road noise. I rate these tires 4.5 out of 5. We'll see if they last 45,000 miles. Thanks for watching and hit the subscribe button.